Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Vehicle Accident Detection and Anti-Lock Braking System and Rescue System using ARM7 LPC2148 and Arduino Uno R3. So in this project we are using an ARM7 LPC2148 main monitoring unit, like main vehicle unit and other vehicle. So in the main vehicle we are using an alarm, anti-lock braking switch, RF transmitter with 433 MHz frequency transmitter module, ADXL335 accelerometer sensor, and a relay coil motor. Here we are using two relay coil, 5 volts and 3 volt, to control the speed of the motor, and MAX 232 IC, GSM SIM 800L, GPS, location of the satellite, so sending data to other vehicle information, and 16 cross 2 LCD display, and we are getting the alerts on the mobile phone with the location. Okay, like left accident, right accident, front accident, we can see the data onto the Google Maps also. Okay, so this is vehicle monitoring unit. So power supply module, 16 cross 2 LCD display, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So Arduino Uno R3, RF receiver, 433 MHz frequency, and LCD display. Okay, so vehicle monitor, and once it will receive the data from transmitter, it will show you on the LCD. Okay, and here let us coming into the transmitter module. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So ADXL335 MEMS accelerometer sensor, GSM SIM 800L. So here also bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So here two relay coils and one engine, RF transmitter module. So anti-lock braking switch, MAX 232 IC, level converter, voltage level stabilization IC, and one GPS module. Red LED is on and off. Okay, so here alarm, one 5 volts relay and 3.3 volts relay to switch the anti-lock braking. So here I am going to press continuously switch button, anti-lock braking. So the relay will control, and it will, after 2 seconds, then the vehicle will be stops. So if any heart attack or any unconscious state, they need to press the button continuously. So then the vehicle will automatically 5 volts, 3 volts, and then should be off. So here ISP button. Okay, restart. ARM7 LPC2148. UART0, it is connected to the GPS module. UART1, it is connected to the GSM module. So latitude value, longitude value, GSM initialization, normal, GSM is okay. Okay, so now I am going for right accident. Right accident, send SMS to parent mobile, and the information is passed here. Accident near 500 meters, please rescue, GPS location, and the latitude value, longitude value. Okay, sending SMS to, first SMS is sent to owner mobile, second SMS is sent to the nearest vehicle. Okay, SMS is received. Right accident, right accident, open just once. Okay, it will show you on the Google Maps. Okay, the total system is engine off, alarm on, send the information to the other vehicle, please rescue, latitude value, longitude value. Now I am going to restart the kit. Okay, so here also you need to restart the kit. Okay, latitude value, longitude value, no accident. Okay, here. Then front back accident. Okay, back accident, send SMS to parents. Okay, so here also received an SMS, accident near 500 meters, please rescue, latitude value, longitude value. And here also sending SMS, SMS received, back accident, vehicle location place just once. Okay, latitude value, longitude value, then restart the kit. So here also no accidents. Okay, okay, GSM initialization. Okay, then anti-lock braking. Okay, press continuously, press continuous, vehicle speed control, and then automatically switch the relay, then it is off. Thanking you.